What is up, YouTube? It's your boy, Billy Robinson. You can call me Robbo, The Lank, Bill's Nation, Bilson, Bill, or just Billy. And today I'll be covering QGIS using Valhalla.
So just a bit of background into QGIS. So QGIS is an open source geographic information system that enables you to create, edit, visualize, and analysis of geospatial data. So for this tutorial, we're going to look at pedestrian distance and time. And so to get from A to B, or whether there's multiple points. So firstly, we want to go into plugins and manage and install plugins. It might just take a little while to upload all the plugins, and then you will want to go up to the search bar and search Valhalla. So I've already installed it, but you just select Valhalla and click install. Once you've done that, Valhalla will come up on the tab here. But firstly, we want to come to XYZ title. Press OpenStreetMap and you want to drag it down into this corner box, and then it will bring you up a map. So for this example, let's just scroll into Melbourne and we'll find a location that we're happy with. So maybe we'll just go to Port Melbourne. Once we've found a location we're happy with, we want to press Valhalla. And firstly, I want to look at the settings that we have. So time options should be fine. Let's go down to isochrones and look at minutes. So we're allowed to put in four times for the distance that we want. So let's go 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes, and let's do 10. Once we're happy with that and everything looks right, we can also go up to the top, and in methods, we want isochrones. Go with, we want the pedestrians, and then we want the fastest route. Once we've done this, we can apply. We can also, after this, we want to go to add waypoints. So you can have as many as you want, but firstly, let's just pick a couple. So maybe let's go from park to park to make it easier. So let's go from here to this one. We'll do like 4 or 5. Um, and then let's go maybe one up on this corner. After we've done this, we can go back to Valhalla and we can select apply. Might take a little while to load, and there we go. You can close this and then you'll be able to see the walking times. So in the inner rim we have 4 minutes, 6, 8 and 10. So once we've done this and we kind of want to evaluate it, and we kind of want to see the map and the crossovers, so or maybe we want to change the colors as well. So let's go to isochrone pedestrians and double click that. This also might take a little while to upload. There we go. So we'll come into simple fill. Under fill color, we'll press that. We'll make it any color we like. So maybe we wanted the blue. And just to see, so maybe we want to see under the map, to see the map more, we'll just turn the opacity down a little bit. So maybe we'll go like 35. We can always come back and change that. Select apply and then OK. Here you'll be able to see the distances more, and where you see there's not much crossover, maybe in the middle. So that means that these areas of the time between 4, 6, 8 and 10 there's no crossover. But within the overlapping, there is the crossover within the 10 minutes, or maybe there's a crossover within the 8 minutes. It just depends. So that is a brief overview of using Valhalla in QGIS.